everyone, and welcome to Concordia for English.ca. Today, let's explain the difference between proper nouns and common nouns. A common noun is a general name that could be for a person, place, or a thing. For example, a country is a common noun. A man or a girl is a common noun. Book is also a common noun. While proper noun is a specific name that could be for a person, a thing, or a place. For example, Emma is a proper noun. London is a proper noun. Harry Potter is also a proper noun. Always keep it in mind, and don't forget that proper noun always starts with a capital letter. So let's have some examples to make it simpler for you. When you say a teacher is a common noun, but when you make it more specific, like Mr. Ali is a proper noun. When you say a country is also what? Common noun, right? But when you make it more specific, like Canada, proper noun. Simple, right? Hit like if you learned something new, and see you in the next lesson. Thanks.